guys, it is Willow, and today I am going to be teaching you how to make a special sandwich recipe made by me. Don't mind my lips, I put a lot of chapstick on for some reason, but let's get started. First, what you're going to need to do is grab a plate, obviously, for your sandwich. Then grab 2 pieces of bread. Grab some mayo and then just put it on there and then scrubbity-dubbity with your knife. Then shake some mustard. It's a party. Okay, after you shake it, you open it and then put this on your bread. Then get some cheese. I like to get Sargento. So yeah, put it on your mayonnaise because that's better when you put it on your mayonnaise. Get some turkey and put it on your mustard. Then get some lettuce. Then get a cucumber and a knife. Chop, chop, chop. After you're done cutting your cucumber, put the cucumber right there, and here, and there, and here. Now, hit salt. Sprinkle some salt to make it extra spicy. Salty. Now, what you're going to do is close your sandwich very, very carefully. Make sure not to drop it on the ground. Enjoy! I only got bread. Okay guys, it is the end of the video. I hope you like it, and I hope you like the sandwich if you make it. And so, subscribe to the channel, because why not? Like this video if you like it, and click the bell to get notified every time I and we, because I have friends in my videos a lot, post a video. So, bye!